I'm just going to do nail art. You might love this. I don't really have long nails, so I'm just going to use a artificial written nail. What we need is glue. So put it in my nail, and you'll need nail polishes, and I'll get some polish. This one wasn't close, but it's still not dry. See this? And you will paint it on this one. And you will also need a stick for the prepping nails. And so let's begin. First you will prep the nails. Well, I'm using this side. It's not this part, not the top part. My hair is getting in the way. Next time I'll show you how to dye our hair. See? Well, when you do it right in the tummy, you have to see what happens. See that? You can't really see it in the camera. It becomes a little dusty thing. I want to make it shorter a little. Well, that doesn't work. When you make it shorter, it doesn't work. It's like going to take forever. But I still want it long. It looks like this. Maybe we can do it now. Now I'm going to glue it in my nail. Just twist up the glue and glue my nail. So dots, not too many. Whoops. There's some glue that's dry. See? Just glue a bit. Now we're going to put this nail, and see this? Looks so great. It doesn't look great in the camera. Well, when you saw it real life, it looks great. It doesn't smell good. It smells like dust. I want to put some perfume. But perfume is not for nails. Artificial nail. Open the nail polish. Wait, you also need one nail striper. Yeah, we bought this at Walmart. It was just $1.98. Everything we bought there was $1.98. I can't believe it. So it's just so sunny, and look at the sparkles. I don't know how it appeared there. I can't even take it off. Maybe it's because of the sun. And we're going to open it. Open it. See, it's sparkly pink. Whoops, it's too many. And you just put your nails. Just put it on your nails. But don't put it in full. Just do a line on the middle. See? It's really sparkle. sparkling. Yeah, I think I changed my mind. I'm doing it full. So, I'm not telling you what kind of nail art is this because I want to make it a surprise. You'll see it after I'm done. Well, it's slow. Also, the title is point. No, it's a little. Oh, look at the sparkles. It's now ruined. What happened? Oh, it became a smudge in the camera. Let's see what happened in my nail. It's also a smudge in my nail. That's okay, just it's really whoa. It accidentally fell. I know nail polish is always flawed. What the heck? I'll just put it here. I dyed my Barbie's hair highlights. That's color pink. I don't know why. I just use a red marker. My favorite color is pink. Pink, blue, and purple. So, I'm just getting nail polish. See? It's looking like this. It looks so nice on it. It's like this in the camera. I wish I could use a blue one. Well, I don't have a blue one. It's a blue one as the sparkle from the sun. So, just painting and painting until it's full. There, it's getting a little dry. See, it's so nice in the camera. It's so sparkly. Well, it doesn't look nice when it's in real life. You just paint your nails. Then, look what appeared. We're just gonna let it dry. So, gonna let it dry. When it dries, put a top coat. Well, I haven't put a top coat. I'll just get it later. Just let it dry and use a nail striker. So guys, this isn't zebra nail art. This is something that I can't tell you because it's a surprise. Well, it's not the My Little Pony nail art. I really like Rainbow Dash, but I can't do that nail art. I don't have all the supplies, but maybe I can do it next time. It's almost dry, I think. If you really want it to dry quickly, then just blow it. I wish I had long nails. Well, not that long. I'm not saying I really want long nails as a witch. I just want long nails like this. Well, it's just my artificial nail. It looks real. Looks like my real nail. Let me see. Oh, it's already dry. Now, I could use this. I'll just put this right here, and then I don't need that anymore. So today I'm just going to put this nail striper. So you just, I think it will be a zebra nail art. Or it's not a zebra nail art. Just kidding, you know me, I always change my mind. Now you can tell what nail art is this. It's striped nail arts. Okay. Need more. Oh, that didn't really work. See, you know, I'm always clumsy. Oh, that's fine. I just made a little mistake. Oh, now look at the nail art. It looks so ugly. I wish I could put a top coat. Then we're doing the next one. Oh, it will take like forever. Okay, we're like doing 4 more nails to go. Well, maybe you can just, well, I'll show you all my nails now. Okay, just did that for an accident. Here are all my, those are my dolls. I'll just show you. Well, this one, it's just the one I did. I tried quickly. Don't know how. Well, see this? It's an artificial nail. Gosh, it was like 12 minutes. It just dropped. My video is 12 minutes. And now it's almost. Now it's 13. Dusty. Remember to make it a little dusty. There. And you will prep the nails on the top. Just looking at my nails. I always look at it for a while. Well, it comes a little shorter, so you won't need a nail clipper. Nail clipper is lost. It will be a little hard to do this. Maybe this video will take like forever. It's really hard still. Wait, I forgot. Is it really the shape of my nail? It's too big. I can make it small. Maybe next time I'll do Fluttershy or Rarity My Little Pony Nails. Pony Nails. I have a game that's My Little Pony. so dusty. Need the dust. The rust. The dust. So just spread a little more. Maybe this is. Oh man, look what happened. It's not a straight. It's almost there. Really. There. Now it's really straight. See that? Well, it's already like 15 minutes. Actually, it's 16. Well, I'm just in the second nail. I think I'm going to have to stop this video. No, I'm going to wait. As you can see, I have my nail. Actually, I have my ring. I'll put it right here in my thumb. And then, as you can see, I have regular extensions. But there's more. It's Rainbow Dash extensions. And we'll see you next time. Just subscribe. Don't forget to like this. Okay? We'll see you next time. Bye.